Number 1. 1973 Plymouth Duster, $7,500, Capron, Illinois. This 1973 Plymouth Duster offers a solid, rust-free platform with a brown exterior and original interior showing some dash cracking and instrument gauges not connected. The engine is a 5.9-liter fuel-injected V8 from a 2000 Dodge Durango, mated to an automatic transmission. Runs well, though power steering and front disc brakes are not fully hooked up and have leaks. A complete car needing mechanical attention, ideal for a restorer or experienced mechanic. The Duster was a compact, sporty coupe built on the Valiant platform and known for being economical, easy to upgrade, and widely used in the early 1970s. Wikipedia.org. Number 2. 1972 Mercury Cougar, $8,400. Modesto, California. This Cougar GT is powered by a 351 cubic inch Cleveland V8 with a select shift automatic transmission. Restored engine and transmission, rebuilt 10 over in 2021, matching numbers and California origin. Body is in excellent shape with minimal rust, and the dynamics are excellent. Small rust repair near the door was welded. This car is a firm price project with clean title, strong drivability, and solid GT credibility. Number 3. 1972 Volkswagen Squareback Type 3, $6,000, Albuquerque, Mexico. A clean, rust-free example featuring the original 1600cc engine, manual transmission, custom paint, new tires, and interior. Rear engine rear-wheel drive makes it quirky and fun, needing nothing. The Squareback was praised for usability, reliability, and simple mechanics. This one is cruise-ready and hassle-free. Number 4. 1962 Mercury Comet, $10,000, Linwood, Washington. This survivor car came from one family and retained mostly original paint. The 6-cylinder automatic model with 111,630 miles has been sympathetically restored. New tank, upholstery, springs, bushings, and minor paint repairs. All components work and no serious rust issues remain. The Comet was a dependable compact sedan with spacious seating offered in the early 1960s. This example drives beautifully and is roadworthy coast to coast. Number 5. 1954 Chevrolet truck, $17,500, Yuma, Arizona. Known as the 3600 series, this 6-cylinder standard transmission pickup never left Yuma and was stored for over 50 years. Mostly original paint, minimal rust, complete lighting and gauges, a newer replacement engine with slightly higher output and recent service, water pump, brakes, tires, battery. The original engine is included, a rare survivor truck with original patina and clean Arizona title. Number 6. 1952 Willys M38A1 Military Jeep, $17,500, Coeur d'Alene, Idaho. This fully restored M38A1 four-wheel drive military Jeep retains all original military components, runs and drives excellently. With 23,000 miles, odometer likely reset, it serves as an authentic, EMP-proof Cold War-era utility vehicle, an excellent example of durable wartime engineering. Number 7. 1965 Ford Ranchero, $17,500, Arroyo Grande, California. This hot rod-styled Ranchero features a 351 Windsor V8 with a crane cam, aluminum heads, C4 automatic transmission, and modified 9-inch rear with ladder bars. Twin stainless exhausts, electric cutouts, lockable hard tonneau cover, and 45,000 miles. Some visible rust that needs attention, but the powertrain sounds amazing. A custom blend of car and truck, perfect for enthusiasts seeking style and performance. Number 8. 1964 Ford Falcon Futura, $18,000, Port Orchard, Washington. This Futura Coupe has undergone extensive restomod. 5.0 HO V8, Flowmaster exhaust, AOD automatic transmission, 8.8 rear differential, disc brakes front and rear, Mustang 2 suspension, new weather stripping, and Wimbledon white paint. Factory radio operates, though left turn signal and rear diff howl need attention. Fun, reliable, and modernized. The 1965 model Falcon Futura was known for roomy comfort in a compact package and remains affordable and wrench-friendly. Hagerty.com, ConceptCar.com, Hemmings.com. Number 9. 1950 Ford Custom DeLuxe Sedan, $18,000, Montague, California. This Sea Island green Survivor shows original paint in very good condition with minimal dings. Powered by a 239 Cihan 39 Psi flathead V8 with 3-on-the-tree manual. Includes heater, radio, clock, driver spotlight, Fender Skirts, and originals thermal manuals. Upholstery, rubber mats, and headliner are pristine. A highly original and elegant example of post-war styling. Number 10. 1965 Pontiac Bonneville, $16,000. Bayard, Nebraska, 2-door hardtop with 421 V8 and automatic transmission. Brown exterior with beige interior. 170,183 miles, likely rolled over. Exceptionally well preserved, family owned since 1967, kept in dry climate and a closed garage. Elegant lines, smooth ride, and trustworthy mechanics. A high level of condition for the age, excellent for long distance cruising. Number 11. 1970 Triumph TR6 $23,900. Apple Valley, California. British racing green convertible with tan top and interior. Rebuilt 6-cylinder engine 2017 with overdrive transmission. Shifts smoothly. Upgraded wood steering wheel, LED lighting, electronic ignition, and Michelin Defender tires with low mileage. A beautifully balanced classic sports car combining vintage character with reliability. Number 12. 1957 Ford Thunderbird convertible, $24,000. Palo Alto, California. This dusk rose T-Bird features a rebuilt 312 V8 and automatic transmission, power steering, and iconic hard top. Motor and transmission rebuilt at 100,000 miles, new radial white wall tires, radiator, brakes, starter, and power steering pump. Interior features original AM radio and elegant power seats. Largely original and garage kept, this early personal luxury convertible exudes 1950s flair. Number 13. 1977 Ford LTD II station wagon, $9,800, Yuma, Arizona. Large interior station wagon, powered by a 351M engine and automatic transmission with sport dash and tachometer. Tall gearing for comfortable highway cruising. Stored for 20 years and recently reactivated with new tires, American racing wheels, radiator, fuel pump, battery, and basic service. Not much rust for a Yuma car. AC needs conversion from R12, a blank slate for restoration or comfortable touring wagon. Number 14. 1973 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe, $15,500. Lakeside, California. This small block automatic survivor has original air conditioning, power steering, brakes, and runs well. Condition is fair with 83,500 miles. Emblems of early 1970s Corvette styling, ideal for someone wanting to restore or drive a period piece with identifiable lines. Number 15. 1965 Chevrolet Nova hardtop, $25,000, Anna Cordes, Washington. Extensively restored with rebuilt 283 engine and Powerglide automatic transmission. Only approximately 1,000 miles since restoration, odometer rolled over. Interior mostly original with minor imperfections. Recently serviced and outfitted with new brakes. In excellent condition, this Nova offers classic mid-1960s styling, strong drivability, and solid investment potential.